In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your past trips on Expedia using Google's search tools. It's a simple process, but can be quite handy if you're trying to clean up your travel itinerary or just want to keep everything organized. Stay with me and we'll get through this in no time. First things first, you want to make sure you're logged into your Google account so that everything syncs smoothly. Open up your browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Expedia and hit enter, or you could simply click on the direct link provided in the description below. Once you're on Expedia's homepage, ensure you are signed in. Look towards the top right corner of the screen for the sign in option if needed. Now, let's navigate to the Trips section. This is where all your past, present, and future travel plans are tidily stored. You'll typically find the Trips tab along the top menu bar of the Expedia homepage. Go ahead and click on it. What you'll see next is a detailed overview of all your travel bookings associated with your account, including those luxurious vacations you enjoyed in the past and any exciting trips you have lined up. Now let's focus on cleaning up those past trips. As you scroll down, there's a clear list that outlines each trip individually. This feature is fantastic for keeping track of where you've been and what you've booked. To delete a past trip, look for the specific trip in the list you want to remove and click on it. You'll see more details unfold, providing options to view more if necessary. On this page, you should see the option to delete trip. Clicking this will prompt you to confirm your decision, and in seconds, the trip will be erased from your account records. And just like that, you're done. It's a straightforward process, but remember, by deleting a trip, you might lose all the associated information permanently, so double check that you're removing the correct one. Maintaining a well-organized trips column not only helps avoid clutter, but also allows you to focus on planning your upcoming adventures. That wraps it up. With just a few clicks, you can manage your travel itinerary efficiently. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content tailored to simplify your tech-based tasks. Until next time, happy traveling.